Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the exact case type, so you use the correct cable. This matters because port shape and power rules differ. Once done, open the lid and visually inspect the port and metal contacts for debris or corrosion. Dirt blocks current. Next, plug an Apple-certified cable into a 520W adapter and connect to the case. Do not force anything. You're initiating a controlled charge that gives the case its baseline energy and prepares it for status checks. Once the cable or wireless pad is connected, watch the LED to confirm power flow. Amber means charging, green means complete. If you're using a wireless pad, make sure the case is centered on the coil. Misalignment can stop charging. Make sure to leave the case undisturbed for 15-30 minutes to allow the battery to accept a useful initial charge. Rushing can hide problems. While you wait, avoid toggling connections, and if connected to a phone, keep it nearby to monitor the case battery widget. You finish by confirming the case level in your iPhone's battery widget or by opening the lid near a paired device. This verifies both charge and communication. If the case still won't charge, make sure to power cycle the charger and try a different certified cable. Also, gently clean the port and contacts with a soft brush. If problems persist, reset the case with the pairing button. This clears software hiccups. Key troubleshooting tip: debris or a bad cable causes most failures, so swap cable and inspect the port first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.